IPM is not an unfamiliar phenomena to everyone because looking around us, we can see lots of examples about an international projects that needed to be managed. iPhone is designed in California, but manufactured in China. The San Francisco Oakland Bridge is built in China and then being assembled in US. From those instances, I understand that IPM refers to the practices of managing a project cross-border and it includes the participation of members from different countries and cultures. The primary advantages of IPM is that it helps companies to approach and manage the global resources, such as the outsourcing activities. Based on US corporations are spending millions of dollars annually in offshore outsourcing of IT services. IPM is needed to manage the vigorous outsourcing activities. Besides, IPM can utilize the diverse workforces and time zone difference. Organizations can use talented people from almost anywhere in the world at a lower cost. Apple can use the high-skilled workers to design this iPhone while using low-cost laborers in developing countries. IPM can help a project run 24/7 by cooperating workforces from a variety of time zones. Besides, IPM can support companies' innovation by having multicultural workforces to avoid groupthink, which stimulates discussion, growth, and differentiation. Google has its office located in North America, Latin America, Europe, Asia, and Africa to inspire innovation and big ideas. Most importantly, IPM helps companies to expand globally and create multiple earning resources. For example, KFC has international branches to continue finding new customers and recur customers' lifestyle in a new market. The disadvantage of IPM is that other international parties might not understand the initial values and culture that the original company has due to language and cultural barriers leading to miscommunication. For example, Americans uphold direct and clear communication while Asians like to communicate unambiguously. Also, though virtual communication such as Zoom has facilitated the cooperation internationally, it's still hard to maintain trust amongst members across nations due to a lack of face-to-face interaction. Furthermore, IPM sometimes cannot deliver projects successfully because information is not updated simultaneously. In large multinational firms, the global information system cannot be established due to different requirements, internal politics, and changes in strategic direction of the organization. Most importantly, IPMs failed when company cannot configure and restructure the companies to synchronize management style and move everyone towards the same direction. The healthcare industry case presented by Juher and Hayden is prime examples of the pros and cons of IPM. Under the pressure to increase profitability in a maturing market, two major global companies combined two units of operations in a joint venture. The headquarters is in US, while the manufacturers and distributing facilities are located in Europe and also US. If the company succeeds in the project, it will be an integrated global company, which has the growth prospect above the industry by 3%. Nonetheless, there are lots of challenges, including the difference of cultures, the needs of properly restructured company that include both external advisors and internal global employees. Eventually, the international project has been successfully delivered by the implementation of integration management, which includes communication management, knowledge transfer, and culture management. Many two-way communication channels such as newsletters, trainings, interviews, meetings, hotlines are used to facilitate conversation among team and customers. Knowledge is transferred via training courses and process education. Finally, the risk of cultural barrier is mitigated by underlining and promoting similarities to function team and encourage communication. In short, to success in IPM, organization needs to modify its strategy, structure, and culture accordingly to its international approach. Most importantly, it needs to facilitate communication and apply technologies such as implementing virtual team across headquarters and borders.